All right, what's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews. Here today, we're going to be doing a review for Menlo Club or Menlo House or whatever they want to call themselves. It's a clothing subscription service that I've been subscribing to at this point for about 9 months for the second time around. First time around, I did it probably for like 6 months. And one of the things that I liked most about subscribing to this service were the jeans. The jeans have been amazing. The coats actually have been pretty amazing. I've been cool with the t-shirts. Actually, yeah, good with the t-shirts. Sweatsuits have been pretty cool. Actually, the last sweatsuit that I got, the green one, that was really good. I like that one a lot. Because then in another subscription service box, I got a t-shirt that went with it perfectly. So, you know, look, they do good stuff, but then I feel like there's been some misses more than the wins. So let's see what we got here. And this is for April's service since I'm a little behind. All right, so it looks like we got 2 t-shirts and a pair of shorts. Now, Menlo has one level. They have it, and it's $65. So the fact that they sent me some shorts and 2 shirts is actually not bad. The stuff on their website is always reasonable. This is like some khaki shorts, 5'4" brand, which is the brand where their jeans come out of. So I'm pretty sure that I will be happy with these shorts once I try them on. The t-shirts look cool. They're the same t-shirt, they're just different colors. So one is a gray and one is like a mint green. Yeah, I would probably say if I had to really just think about my money being spent, this is a good investment. This was a good box. I can't complain about it. $65, I got 2 shirts, a pair of shorts. I'm pretty sure it probably would have been more like $100. So it's not like a drastic difference in price, but you know, even if I'm just paying for it outright, I really can't complain about the quality of their clothes. The quality is always on point, and if I've ever had an issue, they were always willing to try to fix that issue. So I definitely recommend Menlo Place or Menlo House to you all to give it a try. It's $65. There's a link in the description below. And by all means, I am trying to grow this channel to the best of my ability. So like the video, subscribe to the video, and stay tuned for whenever I put something else out there. Until next time. Oh, no, not until next time. I actually got to try this stuff on. Yeah. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. This is the Menlo House package that I got. The shorts, they fit fine. They're a little on the shorter side, but as long as they touch my knee, I'm good. The shirt fits fine. It's not too tight, just enough form-fitting, you know, considering that I'm not the skinniest person, so a little bit is on me. But overall, I definitely will be wearing this. I'm happy with this. And the other shirt is just a different color, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with putting that on. But yeah, this is cool. Deuces. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.